In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain address in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start using your own domain for email inside Proton Mail. First, open Proton Mail in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right of the screen for the settings toggle. It looks like a small gear icon. Click that to open the quick settings panel. This panel is great for fast changes, but for domain setup, we need the full menu. So next choose all settings to switch to the main settings area. In the full settings view, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll if you need to, then select domain names. This is the dedicated section where Proton Mail organizes everything related to custom domains. You'll see any domains you've previously connected here, plus the option to add a new one. Click Add Domain. Before you type anything, make sure you have a domain you own and that you can access its management dashboard later if Proton prompts you. In the domain field, enter your root domain only, such as example.com, without any mailbox name in front. Double-check spelling. Extra spaces or characters will cause issues. When you're confident it's correct, continue. Click Next to move forward and keep going through the prompts. Proton Mail will guide you step by step with clear on-screen instructions tailored to your setup. If at any point you see a message that something needs attention, use the built-in help links or open your domain provider in a separate tab so you can quickly reference details without losing your place. If you run into an error, recheck the domain you entered and try again. That's it. You've navigated from your inbox to the settings, opened the domain name section, added your domain, and continued through the guided flow. Pause the video as needed while you follow along, and when everything looks good in Proton Mail, you're ready to start using your custom domain address.